Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the RØDE baseball hat. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a RØDE baseball hat. This one is a black cap, black on black with word mark. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the sticky shipping label that's keeping the box securely sealed. And let's lift up the box flap to reveal the baseball hat inside, or baseball cap, and giving you a nice clear view of the black cap, black on black with word mark, before I start handling it and just checking through the interior of the box right there. Okay, let's pop the baseball hat out from its white card packaging and just making sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can now set the box to one side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the frame. And now just giving you once again another look at the cap resting on the tabletop. Okay, now let's take a look at this RØDE baseball hat. So you can see that it is a full black hat, or baseball hat, or baseball cap. And taking a look at the back of the cap, it does have a snapback fastener right there. And it does have quite a high peak as well, as you can see. Quite box shape in terms of the crown area or slope. And taking a look at the visor. So it does have a flat visor, as you can see. It's not peaked in any way. And just taking a look at the construction of the edges and stitching of the visor. You can see the various stitches that go around the curve of the visor, so nice and consistent and parallel right there, giving you a nice clear look. And taking a head-on look right there and slightly further away just to give you a bit more clarity and perspective right there. And you can see that very thick 3D RØDE branding, very thick indeed. You can see how much it sticks out from the surface of the cap. And just taking a top down look as well right there, and just look at the amount of stitches that go into constructing that word mark or branding with the lettering of RØDE right there, and just giving it a nice gentle touch. You can hear that it does have a fine surface to it, or texture. And of course there are eyelets around the crown of the hat for ventilation, and that button at the top as well. So top down look of this RØDE baseball hat. And let's pop open and unfold the hat. So now giving you an even better look at this RØDE baseball hat. And you can see, once again, it does have a very big crown to accommodate even the largest of heads, or at least a very big one. And taking a look inside, we can see that embroidery right there for the RØDE word mark or branding. And of course it does have a sweatband running around the inside lining as well. So right there, giving you a nice clear look. So in terms of the visor stiffness, it is nice and stiff. Of course, you can bend it should you wish to create a more peaked look on the visor, but nonetheless, as it is, a fully blacked out baseball cap right here from RØDE, with that very, very chunky three-dimensional embroidery on the front panel of this baseball hat. And taking a look at the snapback fastener at the back of the hat, right there, with 7 holes for adjustment. And let's pop it open right there, and giving you a look as to the material and of course the construction quality of this hat. And just to show you the thickness of the snapback as well, and of course the pins for fastening against the hole. So at the maximum or minimum sizing right there, giving you an idea of the shape of this RØDE baseball hat. And at the maximum, let's open it up and set it on a single pin right there, which is quite precarious to be wearing. So perhaps 2 would be a more realistic position right there. So plenty of adjustability there to accommodate many different head sizes. This RØDE baseball hat, and giving you a look close up at that button and the overall stitching of the main top of the hat. And right there, nice good look all around. And of course at the back of that embroidery of the RØDE branding. And it does have that rough texture to it, as you can see the diagonal stitching going across the visor of this baseball hat. And let's set the pin position to a medium sizing or middle sizing right there. And just puffing out the hat so you can see its shape more clearly. So that's the RØDE baseball hat. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!